Good morning, everyone. My name is Jagdish Pawar. I am from grade 7th A. I am the host of today's morning assembly. So let's start. For word of the day, I would like to call Sujal Rathi.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sujal Rathi from 7th class. Today I am telling one word. AVOID. Avoid. To ignore someone or something. I repeat my word. AVOID. Avoid. To ignore someone or something. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So for today's short speech, here I would like to call Aradhya. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhya Chaudhary from class 7th A. Today I am here to present speech on topic importance of education. As we all know that education is a ray of light in the darkness. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. Education provides us a good lifestyle, a good status in the society and makes us self-confident. Thank you. For one more speech here, I would like to call Gayatri.
Good morning everyone. My name is Gayatri Venkatesh Barve. Today I am present here to share our views about the importance of time. Time is much important in our life. A person who understands the importance of a time is constantly moving towards a progress. Time has a more value than a money. Money once lost can be regained, but times once lost is lost forever. So at last I would like to say that lost time can be not found. Lost time can be not found, but what we do in present depends in future. So don't waste your time. Thank you.
For checking your general knowledge, I would like to call once again Gayatri.
Good morning everyone. My name is Gayatri Venkatesh Barve. Today I am present here to check your general knowledge. My first question is to first standard. How many days are there in a week? 7. Yes, that's the correct answer, 7. My second question is to second standard. Which is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Yes, that's the correct answer, banyan tree. My third question to third standard. How many states are there in India? 28. Yes, that's the correct answer, 28. My fourth question to fourth standard. Which gas do the human primary exhale? I repeat my question. Which gas do the human exhale? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. My fifth question is to fifth standard. What is the SI unit of temperature? I repeat my question. What is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. Yes, that's the correct answer, Kelvin. My sixth question to sixth standard. What is the SI unit of time? Yes, that's the correct answer, second. Thank you and have a nice day.
For one more speech here, I
Good morning, Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear students. Today, my topic is about Dr. Homi Bhabha. Yesterday, our director sir asked, who is Dr. Homi Bhabha? I think, can anyone Who is he? Can anyone know who is he? He is the nuclear scientist from our India. Dr. Homi Bhabha, the visionary behind India's nuclear program. What is a nuclear program? Nuclear program is just like giving energy, giving atomic bombs to the countries. Today, I am honored to speak about a remarkable scientist whose vision, dedication continue to shape our nation in nuclear program. In its early life, he born in Bombay, prominent Parsi family. He has done education from Cambridge University and done PhD in physics. What is the full form of PhD? Class 6 and 7. What is the full form of PhD? Right answer. Adesh, Doctor of Philosophy. See, in early 90s, all the Western countries backed India for doing nuclear program. But the one scientist who's studying in abroad under one scientist, Neil Bohr, he has done atomic energy and started a trust, Dorbaji Tata Trust in 1944. The foundation key of TFIR, Tata Institute of Fundamental and Industrial Research, Atomic Energy Commission of India, Baba scattering a scientific contribution he has done in Indian science. His philosophy, a scientist does not belong to a particular nation, he belongs to the world. I conclude my speech here. Dr. Homi Bhabha's legacy is a beacon for every aspiring scientist. He shows with the curiosity, perseverance, and the courage to dream, we can turn the impossible into reality, just like he turned our normal country to a nuclear country. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vijay sir. So we conclude our assembly. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasant good morning. It's a pleasant good morning. Which good morning? Say properly, pleasant. Okay. Vijay sir has given very good speech. The speech or information about Dr. Homi Bhabha. There is one institute named after him. Vijay sir. BARC.
Bhabha Atomic Research Center.
Bhabha Atomic Research Center. It is at Tarapur. Tarapur is close to, it is near Mumbai. And at the end of the speech, Vijay sir said, every nation should become nuclear nation. Right? So once please explain them what is nuclear energy. Not now. Tomorrow again. What is nuclear energy? What is the use of nuclear energy? And what is the misuse of nuclear energy? Tomorrow Vijay sir will speak on this. Use and misuse of nuclear energy. You can give example of Hiroshima and Nagasaki also. Right? World War. This was very good. So today's assembly was conducted by 7th A, right? Anchoring was done by Jagdish, good. Word of the day was given by Sujal. Speech was given by Aradhya. From today or from yesterday we have started this. We are going to give you such oration slip every day. Right? in this sleep, Qazi sir will maintain this, he will record also. It will be based on the oration, the way it is given, the speech way it is given. So we'll check content of your speech, the fluency of your language, your eye contact, how confident you are, your body language, the way you give the gestures and all, the confidence level, and how good is your attire. Are you in proper uniform or not? So this slip will be given to you, and this slip you will preserve also. Right? So this is called oration slip, oration grade slip. Qazi sir will give you tomorrow again. And tomorrow whose turn is there? Which class is there? 7th. Which class will be there for assembly? Pramod sir? 7th B. So tomorrow there should be 3 speeches of 1 minute. Check today. Send those students to Qazi sir. Let him also check. 3 speeches tomorrow by student. 1 by teacher. Again request. Right? 1 speech by Vijay sir again tomorrow. So this way we'll have more listening part. Yes, Argade sir? They will listen more. And where everybody who will come here, sir, will speak only in English. Whether you of Marathi or Hindi or whatever subject you are, you will speak only in. Teachers, please see that your speeches only should be in English. And every teacher's turn will come, every student's turn will come. So 3 students per day, 1 teacher per day. So the listening part will be more. Is it clear to everyone? Thank you.